Happy Saturday, everyone. It's one day before the Super Bowl. That's right, one of my favorite days of the year, along with Halloween and Christmas and Thanksgiving. It's the Super Bowl Sunday. It's going to be a great time. I can't wait. I'm going to spend it with the family, watching the football game. I picked the Carolina Panthers in a blowout, so that's my prediction. It's Saturday. It's actually a pretty day. It's rainy, but it looks like it's going to clear off and it's going to be a great day. I am in actually nice clothes today for work because today I actually have to give a presentation to a bunch of teachers, which I think is going to be pretty cool. I have 3 presentations to do today for teachers, so that should be kind of fun. Afterwards, I'm not sure what we're going to do, but we're going to go do something. Tomorrow, early, we might go down to Mardi Gras in Galveston. It all depends, really. So, we'll see what we're going to do. Tune in. I hope you enjoyed that. And as Mufasa said in The Lion King, "Scar, help me, brother." I'll see you guys tomorrow.